my friends. My name is Lucky Star. In the previous episodes, you could see the capital city of South Korea, Seoul, Demilitarized Zone, Busan, and Pohang. My last place to visit in this beautiful country is Daegu. Let's go there together now. As usually, we took a train from Pohang to Daegu Station. We wanted to take a ride on the local train, so we traveled only 5 minutes from Dongdaegu to Daegu Station. Their metro trains don't run underground. They built the tracks above the road level, so the train fits perfectly to the existing environment. Also, the train runs automatically, so you can watch the track in front of you. If you want to buy a random cheap products or eat something, just go to the Seoul Central Market, and you will 100% find it. These nice murals are on the street, named after a popular South Korean rock star. He touched the heart of the nation with his love songs, ballads and magical voice. And the street touched my heart too. When I searched for nice places to see in Daegu, I found this unusual building, the ARC Center, among the results, so I wanted to go in. The place is very calm and relaxing. Inside, I could see many interesting photographies from all around the world. I'm gonna fly up and check it from the sky. We randomly found this amusement park when we went up to the tower the night before. But it was already closed, so we came back the next day. Ooh yeah, I tried every possible attraction, but the tallest one was closed. As you could see in the other episodes, I enjoy going to the highest buildings and towers around. The Daegu 83 Tower was my last one in South Korea. Down there, you can see how big are those attractions in the park. The end of my trip was here. From Daegu, we went back to Seoul, had a nice dinner and the next day left from Incheon Airport back to Canada. It was absolutely beautiful time, spent with a good friend and the weather held nice and stable every single day. South Korea is amazing and fully developed country and I hope I will come back again in the future. If you didn't see the previous episodes, please click the button with the playlist, so you won't miss them. If you like my videos, you can hit like, or subscribe button. I already have a plan, where to go next. Stay tuned and see you next time. Thanks.